Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, and today I'm going to do the air horn prank on my mom, because she got drunk. I'm working on downloading it right now, but well, today is Thursday, and this is a bonus video for you. It's gonna be so funny. So let's be quiet. Put the camera. Take the sound. Put the sound on. It's gonna be so funny. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure I'm really sneaky and quiet. Oh. This is gonna be so funny. Oh my god, this is so funny. I got her so good. I got her so good. This is so funny. I got her so good. Alright. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos. See you on Saturday. Actually, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.